In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Autosave in Smartsheet. If you've ever found yourself working on an important project in Smartsheet only to lose your changes unexpectedly, don't worry, we've got you covered. Setting up Autosave can save you from potential headaches by securing your work even if you forget to press that save button. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your account settings. You can find this by logging into Smartsheet and looking for your account name or icon in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll spot the Account option. Go ahead and select that. Once you're in the Account menu, you'll see an option labeled Personal Settings. Click on this, and it will open a new section of settings specifically tailored for your personal use rather than the broader account or team settings. Here, you have the power to tweak various aspects of your Smartsheet experience, including the all-important Autosave feature. Inside Personal Settings, look for a tab labeled Settings. This is where the magic happens. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to another page that includes all sorts of options to enhance your workflow. Now, there is a specific section dedicated to Autosave settings. This is what we're interested in today. Here, you will encounter two critical settings to consider. The first one is Autosave after X minutes of inactivity. This option allows you to decide how long Smartsheet should wait before automatically saving your work if you happen to step away from your desk. You can customize this to fit your own needs, whether you prefer 1 minute, 2, 3, 5, or even 10 minutes of inactivity before autosaving kicks in. Think about how often you step away from your work and choose accordingly. Shorter intervals might give you peace of mind, ensuring your work is frequently getting saved without any manual intervention. Next up is the Auto-Save My Changes When I Leave a Sheet or Report option. With this feature, Smartsheet will automatically save your changes when you switch from one tab to another or when you decide to close the sheet altogether. This is particularly handy if you're a multitasker who tends to jump between sheets and reports throughout your day. You no longer have to worry about forgetting to save your work when you shift your focus to another task. Simply enable this setting, and you can leave the worries of unsaved data behind. Enabling these auto-save features in Smartsheet is a straightforward process, but can make a significant difference in how you manage your projects. By taking a few moments to set these options, you're ensuring that your hard work stays safe and sound, even if you get distracted or called away. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Smartsheeting!